Hi, Tony Strong here at Markertek, here today to talk about the new Williams AV product line for video and audio production suites, conference rooms, and boardrooms that give you control of the environment and media in just the way you like it. Let me ask you a question. You ever been to a restroom and tried to use the soap dispenser? You know, you pump it once or twice and figure, oh, that one's bad. And so you use this one, you pump it 3 times. Well, where's my soap? Only to realize that it's the 98-cent bottle that you're supposed to be using so you get your soap to wash your hands. Just like that, our AV and our presentation spaces are full of exactly the same outdated, unused hardware, devices that weren't designed to work together, and stuff that just isn't supported anymore. Let me show you a great solution for those presentation spaces using Williams AV new audio and video presenter hardware. The Williams Sound audio and video presenter lines allow an audio integrator or an end user to do things that much more complicated systems do. From the back of the box, you can see you've got your HDMI ins and outs, you've got your control ports here, you've got multiple USB inputs that allow for your USB camera, document cameras, other web-connected devices, which might include your Zoom, your GoToMeeting, or your Skype calling. And the audio presenter adds on this side of the box a full suite of audio. To use this system, it literally is executive simple. What do I mean by that? It means that anybody should be able to use this. So I go to my smart device, my tablet, my iOS, my Android. I select the Presenter app, and the app gives me full switching capabilities for the box, whether I'm using it for audio or video. Here I have access to my HDMI whiteboard, and if I wanted to annotate or make my point clearer, I can do that while I type. Simple and easy to erase and start again. You also have the ability to switch between your HDMI source, a video source from your webcam, or your casted source. It literally is this easy. Select the connect port, select your network, tap on, and then now my source switching is available here from the app. So the Williams Sound AV product line suite contains 4 products. We have the Blue Pod, which is by itself a Bluetooth connectivity for the conference room. Here we'd use a ceiling-mounted Bluetooth transceiver that would communicate to a web or a cell-connected or a tablet-connected device to show your audio and video content, and that would go back to the rack. If you want to add casting to that, say I've got today's presentation on my tablet and I want to show a video or a piece of important information, now all I do is invoke the casting source and I cast my data directly to the box and I show up on the screen. If I need more than that, now I've got full-blown annotation capability, multifunction switching capability, all available from my smart device. So Williams Sound new solutions, the audio presenter, video presenter, Blue Pod, and Blue Pod Air, available exclusively here at Markertek. Call your Markertek Solutions professional and find out if these products can work for you at a very affordable price point. I'm Tony Strong here at Markertek. Have a great day.